comfort, and this chair made in Canada is an option. It's custom made, which means that it takes about 10 weeks to produce, but the wait's definitely worth it. One great feature is the backrest, which can be adjusted from 10 to 75 degrees using a motor. The chair is powered by two 18-volt batteries, and with its robust wheels, it's no surprise they named it the Beast. There are trays on the sides to hold tools and parts, and the manufacturer also makes custom versions upon request. Even in an aircraft factory, working on this chair would be perfectly acceptable, and skilled professionals would gladly pay $4,000 for it. Check out, for example, these innovative platforms. They can rotate entire concert halls and are also an ideal car parking solution. The team has experience collaborating with clients from various countries like Singapore and Canada, and they provide a personalized approach. One notable advantage is the cost-saving aspect related to parking, especially considering that in 2015, one parking space in Sydney was sold for hundreds of thousands of dollars. It can raise a vehicle about 60 centimeters from the ground, and a comfortable lifting experience is provided by a handle that measures 114 centimeters. Steel rollers ensure stability during use. Additionally, these ramps make the perfect companion for the jack. The video's creator made them himself, allowing him to effortlessly lift the car up to 23 centimeters without any issues. It's not surprising, considering that the number of cars in the world will hit 2 billion in just a couple of years. Who wouldn't want the smartest garage in the neighborhood? Here's what they offer. A parking assistant. Perfect for one or two cars. A gate sensor. It allows you to check if the gate is closed at any time. A pump. Comes with an 8-meter hose and can handle up to 8.5 atmospheres of pressure. An extension cord. It provides 3 outlets with an 8-meter cord. And a lighting and sound system. It can be connected to a smartphone and other smart garage elements. The whole set comes at a price of around $600, but the devices are conveniently managed through a single app, and installation is easy. With these accessories, you can maximize the benefits of your garage. Perfectly used for detailing purposes. Detailing refers to the comprehensive maintenance of a car, which includes tasks like degreasing, washing, polishing, and applying protective coatings to the body, as well as interior and engine cleaning. As a result, the lighting requirements are quite specific, taking into account factors like angle, color temperature, brightness, and other parameters. For instance, a well-selected color rendering index helps visualize how the car will appear in sunlight without having to take it outside. As for the cost, the price can be significant. Even simpler options from Chinese manufacturers can easily cost around $2,000. Towel was stolen right from the street when he briefly stepped away. Miley Cyrus was also a theft victim, and her Maserati Quattroporte vanished from her garage. That's why these garage defense systems are worth considering. They're available starting from $583 and offer a chance to deter thieves. Essentially, it's a mini barrier with a 10-year warranty and the option to add an alarm system. This alarm will trigger a siren, potentially scaring away criminals. It also sends a notification to the owner's smartphone. The mini barrier can realistically cover a span of up to 2.7 meters and is made from sturdy 3mm thick steel, capable of supporting the weight of 3 people. Portable tire bead breakers. and they have good reason to be proud. This handy tool can assist with various vehicles, from go-karts and ATVs to trucks, regardless of the rim diameter and material. It weighs less than 2 kilograms and it's easily portable, fitting not only in the trunk but also in a bag, making it ideal for mobile crews. The clever clamp is designed to avoid leaving scratches, dents or any other imperfections on the rims, which is why the team has already obtained a patent for it. With a price of $149, it's a reasonable investment for such a useful tool. Everyone should consider buying a new storage system, which not only maximizes space efficiency, but also helps save energy. The shelves are designed to move back and forth on cables, controlled by a smartphone. They can support up to 159 kilograms and work perfectly at a height of about 4 meters. The system's wireless, doesn't require a remote, and offers over 15 design options. Additionally, you can build a workbench or bike rack on top of the shelves, making it even more versatile. Pricing details and a free consultation are available upon request. Here is the most efficient fan in the world. This fan is not limited to just the garage, it also works wonders in poorly ventilated areas like the attic, basement and other spaces where the air conditioner may not reach. The best part is that its operation costs just a few cents per hour, so you don't need to worry about your bills. The fan's air circulation is so effective that it can completely refresh the air in a garage every 3 to 4 minutes. The ES-1500 version comes with a ventilation grill size of 41 by 41 centimeters, and it includes a special valve to prevent the spread of fire in case of an emergency. The price for one fan is $450, but the manufacturers are confident that this investment will pay off in less than 3 years. $23 cost. Even the entry-level model with 2 cables can lift up to 600 kilograms and rotate the load 360 degrees. The kit includes a 12-meter cable, but it is possible to use a longer one, up to 50 meters. The winch operates at a speed of 3.7 meters per minute under maximum load, and it features a patented self-locking brake for safe operation. With a modest weight of about 4 kilograms without cables, the manufacturer recommends this winch for both fitters and construction workers. And the significant workload of car repairers. Fortunately, they have some helpful tools from Germany to rely on. These tools use an innovative honeycomb structure and carbon fiber inserts, making them lightweight. This design reduces fatigue, even when working with aluminium or steel at a width of 1.6 meters. Their motto is, repair, don't replace, and they also offer training courses to enhance efficiency. The fact that they have partnerships with Audi, Scania and Porsche speaks for the quality and effectiveness of their tools. .7 tons and can lift a car to 1.2 meters in just 45 seconds. It's priced at around $3,000, but if that's too expensive, there are more modest 66 centimeters. Providing a comfortable working space under the vehicle lift is offered at $2,800 each. So, which one would you choose? The idea is simple. Instead of using many separate tools, the creators offer a base that can be adjusted with different attachments to suit the specific stage of work. Need an impact wrench? No worries. This tool can provide torque up to 100 Newton meters. A pump? Absolutely. It can pump up to 35 liters per minute. The tool is designed to be user-friendly, with one button to activate each option. It comes with a set of 4 hex heads in sizes 17, 19, 21 and 23 millimeters, which covers most automotive needs. Unfortunately, the Kickstarter campaign didn't succeed, possibly due to the price of $400. We want to show you this blasting system that incorporates dry ice for cleaning cars. In the past, such systems were only found in large shops, with a hefty price of more than $15,000. However, this particular version breaks that tradition by offering a more affordable option at $7,000. Its compact size and weight of 19 kilograms make it ideal for working in tight spaces and cleaning hard-to-reach areas. With operating pressures ranging from 2 to 8 bar, this system can safely clean both plastic and metal surfaces. The manufacturer also highlights that this cleaning method is more cost-effective than others.